Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. At present, the Australian dollar continues to hold above the 71.45 level and still focuses on that 60-day moving average, which is seen at 72.55.65. Although the technicals have broken down slightly, demand should continue from the 71.45 level and eventually see the market break out to the upside with 73.25 to 73.70 as a potential target, which I shall put in there just to keep us alert in terms of where the upside can actually potentially move. The dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, still remains around 102.50. This has seen the euro move slightly sideways, with the technical still holding somewhat bullish. I feel that we could see a further upside test looking towards 107.85 to 108.45 as a potential target, with all eyes today looking to the European Central Bank policy meeting. It is widely expressed that the market will probably see no change in interest rates. However, further down the track, it is viewed that later this year could see a 50 basis point rate hike somewhere towards October. Nevertheless, the market still holds above this support level of 106.25, so therefore I feel we could see a slightly increase in momentum. Dollar yen edges further as is rally since the rebound off that 127 area now looks to 135. But the difference between the yield, that is, with a Bank of Japan holding an easing bias and the US policy holding the tightening bias, has seen further traction, that is, that the market has moved further to the upside. Reassess from 135 as we could see a significant downturn as we are extremely overbought. Sterling still holds to its gains since that rebound off that 124 area, and still, I believe, can eventually take out the top side of 126.05.45 and head on towards 127 as a potential target. This view holds while the market holds above that 124.15.65 area. Sterling Kiwi edging slightly higher. The market is likely to just get a little bit exhausted, should I say, towards that 195 area. And like previously, I do expect to see a downturn soon. Looking at gold, the market trades sideways again over the last 24 hours. Nevertheless, we're still looking at the broader picture, that is at 1,800, around 25 to 27 as a base, and top side around 1,870.80. And being stuck in the middle of the range, I feel the market can still stage a downturn due to the weaker RSI and also the MACD holding to a somewhat, although positive, but the overall picture is still somewhat negative. Finishing up with oil, the market jumps overnight and towards the level of 121.25.80 as the cap here. I'm a little bit cautious as the fact is there's still divergence. No doubt we could easily see a snap back to 115, and a break there would see a further downward slide. But at present, the market still seems a little bit determined in taking the challenge higher. But let's see how we get into, that is around 121.25.80 and above. I view 124 figure 80. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday poll and the end of the day wrap.